Today we want to introduce one of Klingspor's most aggressive and longest lasting bonded abrasives. The A946TZ Special cutoff wheel is an excellent choice for cutting stainless steel sheets, and carbon steel. It can be used in container construction and all other types of metal fabrication. We will demonstrate how this wheel performs on stainless steel sheets and a stainless steel bar. The A946TZ is among the most advanced in the market in bond quality, aggression, and service life. It even outperforms some of the highest rated thin cutoff wheels available today. Another one of the many advantages of this product is the increased safety standards. Our new formula removes dangerous chemicals, making this one of our safest cutoff wheels. The A946TZ is ideal for welding and fabrication shops, metal molding and maintenance shops, and metal construction services. Additionally, it is thermally treated so that it will not break down with heat. If you want a cutoff wheel that gives you more cuts in the least amount of time with a longer service life, try Klingspor's A946TZ Special, only from Klingspor.